What if I told you that 2025 is going to change the gaming laptop industry forever? Apple might just be on the verge of something groundbreaking. If you've been dreaming of a MacBook that can finally go toe-to-toe with the most powerful gaming PCs, you're going to want to hear this. We're talking about a MacBook specifically designed for gaming, possibly called the MacBook Ultra or MacBook Pro Gaming Edition. Apple has been making huge strides with its silicon, and the upcoming M4 or even M5 chip could be an absolute game changer. Imagine ray tracing on Mac without breaking a sweat, thanks to a next-gen GPU architecture that rivals NVIDIA's RTX series. The rumored Apple GPU inside this machine could feature hardware-accelerated ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and insane efficiency. And get this, Apple may finally embrace RGB. A full per-key customizable RGB keyboard. That's something we never thought we'd see on a Mac, but leaks suggest Apple could be working on something special for gamers. Then there's the display. A 16-inch or even 18-inch mini LED panel with a 240Hz refresh rate, ultra-low response time, and Apple's legendary color accuracy. Perfect for both gaming and creative work. And what about ports? If Apple wants to get serious about gaming, they know we need more than just USB-C. We could see an HDMI 2.1 port, Thunderbolt 5, and maybe, just maybe, an Ethernet port for ultra-low latency gaming. But here's the big question, will Apple finally embrace native Windows support? Boot Camp could make a return, optimized for Apple Silicon, allowing gamers to play their entire Steam and Game Pass libraries without restrictions. And don't forget, developers are already bringing more games to macOS thanks to Apple's game porting toolkit. Now, we have to talk about price. If this beastly gaming MacBook becomes a reality, expect a premium price tag, likely well above $2,500. But for a machine that could redefine gaming on Mac, is it worth it? So what do you think? Would you switch to a gaming MacBook if Apple really goes all in? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Apple Insider for the latest on all things Apple. We'll see you in the next one.